Hello and welcome to this course on AI agents and n8 automation. I am Yogini Sharma, and in this course, I will help you to understand how you can automate real-world workflows using the power of AI agents and n8n. Even if you are a complete beginner, by the end of this course, you will not only understand how AI agents work, but you will also be able to build your own AI-powered workflows from automating LinkedIn posts to sending promotion email to the clients by giving the list of the client in the form of Excel and even deploying AI agents locally. So we will cover everything in this course. So let's begin our journey into AI and automation. So first of all, let us take a brief introduction. So what is the AI and what are the AI agents? So let's start with the basics first. I am Yogesh Sharma. And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI is simply means stimulating human intelligence in machines. It's about creating systems that can think, that can learn, and that can make decisions just like humans. Every time you use ChatGPT, get Netflix recommendations, or see smart traffic lights, maybe not in India, but in some European countries in videos, that's AI at work. So AI is not replacing humans at all. It's amplifying human potential. It helps us to do things faster, more accurately, and at scale. Now let's talk about AI and agents. So an AI agent is a system that takes a goal, decides how to achieve it, and then performs the required action. So think of a digital assistant. So it takes data from you, reason logically, take decisions, and even take actions. This is what AI agents do. For example, imagine an agent that reads your email, finds clients, queries, replies to them automatically using ChatGPT, all while you are sleeping, and that's the power of AI agent. So now let's look how AI agent work. Now uh, the AI agent work on some 3 to 4 simple steps. First one is input, then reasoning, then action, and then from that process it continuously learn. So first of all, it start with an input. You give AI an input like any prompt or something like any file to process, and then it reasons using AI model like GPT. Next, it performs an action, maybe sending a message or generating a report for you. And finally, it learns from the result to improve over time. That's the foundation of AI-driven automation. So in this course, we will also be covering APIs, authentication, and authorization because we will be using in this course. So let's uh, read a brief introduction about them. So to make AI agents powerful, we connect them with different apps and data source using something called as APIs. So APIs stand for Application Programming Interface. It's simply a messenger that allows one software to talk to another. For example, when you post on LinkedIn through n8n, n8n calls the LinkedIn API behind the scenes to publish that post. So simply, when you use ChatGPT in a workflow, n8n communicates the open API to get the response. So this is how API works. Now, when we connect APIs, security becomes important. So, and that's where authentication and authorization comes into the picture. Authentication means verifying who you are. Are you the right person or not? For example, when you log into Google with your email and password, so that's the authentication. And authorization means verifying what you can do. So it simply like your access. For example, if any app is allowed to read your emails but not delete them, so that is the authorization of that particular app. So in n8n, you will see this when connecting to services like Gmail or LinkedIn. You authenticate once and n8n get authorized access to perform some specific actions for you. So now let's come to the next part. That is the what is n8n and why it is powerful and why we are using it for making powerful AI agents. So n8n is a uh, open source automation platform like Zapier, but more flexible and developer friendly. It lets you visually connect, but it lets you visually connect different apps, APIs, and AI models to build complex workflows without writing heavy code. And that's the beauty of n8n. You can imagine it as a canvas where you drag and drop and connect building blocks called as nodes. Each node performs one action. There are hundreds of pre-built nodes for tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, OpenAI, LinkedIn, Gemini, and many more. So let's start with n8n Cloud.